Good afternoon all. I thought I'd make a short video just showing you the basic functions of the Mel Meter 8704R-EMF-Meter REM pod with ATDD. It's quite simple to use once you know how, but I think this video could definitely save you quite a lot of time working out all the functions if you're not familiar with this device or similar devices. It takes a 9-volt battery which you put in the back. If you hold the power on button for 2 seconds, it will turn the device on. Press the power button once, it turns on the infrared light on top. Press it again, it turns it off. The backlight button, self-explanatory, press it once, turns the backlight off. If you're using it in a well-lit area, it might save you a bit of battery power. Personally, I always use it in the dark, so I have the backlight on, press it again once, turns the backlight back on. If you hold the set button, gives you an option to self-power off, and if you press the down button, self-power off no, self-power off yes. Personally, I don't want the device to switch itself off, so I'm going to go to no and then press enter, and that will set it. Now if you hold the set button again and then press the set button again, it gives you the option to change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So Celsius, press down, changes to Fahrenheit. Depending on which one you want it on, I always work in Celsius, so put it on to C and press enter, and this will default set it to Celsius. If you press the unit button, it will change it from microtesla to milligauss. Press the range button, it'll give you the options 20,000, 200, 2000. Change it back to microtesla, it will give you 2000, 20, 200. Pretty straightforward. Now if you pull the aerial out, flip the device over, lift the back up, there's 2 buttons underneath, one for the ATDD and one for the REM pod. I will say the ATDD will not work unless the REM pod has been switched on. Let's go ahead and switch those on. The ATDD will produce a different tone for every degree over a +5 degree change. The light will flash red. And for minus, the light will go blue. There's also a temp 0 button on the side, so you can just reset the temperature at any point. There's a REM 0, so you can reset the REM. And there's a REM range button. There's 5 different options for the REM range. You can increase distance or sensitivity. Notice that one's a bit further away. So yeah, that's about it for what I use it for and what I think it's good for. There are some other options. There's some options to record your sessions. Honestly, I've not looked into that. I'm not ever going to use it because I film when I'm recording. When I'm using the device, I film. So I don't really see the point. But yeah, I think that covers all the basic features. Would I recommend it? Yes, I definitely would. It's the best bit of kit I own to date, and if you've got the money to buy it and you're serious about the paranormal and your investigations, I would 100% recommend you go and buy this device as soon as you can. Thank you very much if you've been watching. It's been a pleasure. Peace.